In a world where energy efficiency is paramount, lighting plays a crucial role. Introducing constant illuminance control, where innovation meets sustainability. Constant illuminance control ensures consistent lighting levels by dynamically adjusting to natural light changes, enhancing both comfort and productivity. Unlike conventional systems that waste energy and compromise comfort, our technology adapts intelligently, saving up to 30% in energy consumption. Experience enhanced visual comfort and reduced eye strain. Whether at work, in school, or shopping, enjoy a welcoming and efficient environment. Introducing the JL241, JL242, JL243, and LongJoin NEMA 7-pin Phocontrol 120 to 77 AC 0 to 10 volts dimming series from Shanghai. LongJoin intelligent technology, a new era in lighting control. Engineered for excellence, these photocontrollers offer precise 0 to 10 volts dimming, robust IP65, IP67 protection, and built-in surge protection to ensure longevity and reliability. Join us in achieving sustainability goals. By lowering energy usage, we reduce carbon emissions, making a positive impact on our planet. Illuminate smarter, live better, embrace the future of lighting with constant illuminance control. Contact us today to transform your lighting solutions.